Hello everyone, and welcome to the daily webinar. So let's see what we are having today on the market so we can prepare ourselves to take some money out of it. So if you guys will have any questions, just feel free to use the chat. Those who are watching me on YouTube, use the live chat there. I can see both chats and I will answer all your questions. And for those who are also watching me on TradingView, feel free to use the chat also there. Okay, so yesterday was really good daily webinar. I've get a lot of positive feedback from people that they are learning and they get a lot of knowledge yesterday on the daily webinar, and that's good. Okay, so this is the purpose what I want to give you with those webinars, to give you as much knowledge as I can. Okay, so you will be able to understand the market, and if you will backtest that knowledge a little bit, you may also get some money out of this knowledge. Okay, so it's totally on you what you will do with this knowledge. If you will apply it, if you'll train with this style, I'm sure that you will make money. So let's start now with the setups. So those who are first time there, we are not just selling based on the analysis, so don't watch that webinar and when you see that we are watching for sell over there, you will be just start selling. Okay, no, that's how we are not working. Okay, so we only wait for the flags before we will trigger the trade. Okay, so that's the thing which you have to apply. Never ever just short the trade if we will say that we are watching it for the downside. So let's start. What we see there on DXY, it's we still see this one as the corrective structure, and this has to go lower. Now the question is how far this leg will stay there or will be strong before it will start falling. Okay, there is still strong, dollar is still strong, so it can push slightly a little bit higher and then it will drop down. Okay, so for now there are no any signs of any reversal. Okay, dollar is strong and it will be keep pushing higher. Okay, not far, but it can stay there somewhere there and then it will drop lower. So don't be too fast with your sales. If you want to buy, I don't recommend you buying there at the top, so that's quite a risky. AUD, what we are having over there? AUD, what we are having over there, it's, what is this ringing? Just a second. The market is live, so you can see now how this is going. Okay, nothing special is there. So AUD, I still see that this one will go lower. Okay, based on the DXY as well. DXY has some more room to upside maybe, and this will give a nice sell on the AUD. So what you can do, there was the flag in the morning. Okay, so there in the morning today there was the flag and these to keep on pushing lower. Okay, so for now the price is struggling over there. That's not good. Okay, I want to see that this will start pushing lower. Okay, so no struggling there. If it struggles there, take off all your trades with break-even trade or at least small profit. So what we want to see there is this to keep on dragging. Okay, no holding at this spot. AUD, same there. I can see that this one will go lower. Okay, especially that until we are in this correction, we can anticipate one more leg lower to hit that low. So what we are having a lower time frame, same there. There is the flag. Okay, so there was a nice 1 hour flag which is trying to appear over there. Basically it's completed. Now what we would love to see is this to aggressively push lower. Okay, so no holding there. If it holds, one more high probably will appear before we will go to the downside. So keep an eye there during the day today. It could be a nice setup on the AUD, so put it on your watch list and watch it. Okay, so I do expect this one to start pushing lower to hit the ground, so keep your eyes on it. AUD is quite similar. Okay, it's trying to push lower. There is the correction, so give me the 1 hour. Okay, so this to keep on pushing lower. Okay, next few hours that could stay there, but then it needs to drag lower. Okay, so how far it can go. If the momentum will be strong, then we can go all the way back to this low, or we will also be watching to hit this trend line. Okay, possibility exists that we can hit the trend line over there. Okay, this will be our target. For now, just watch how that flag, 1 hour flag, will start breaking. Okay, this flag to aggressively break down. Aussie yen. Aussie yen will also go lower, so let's see. Yeah, there's no momentum at the moment. Okay, so that this flag supposed to drag lower aggressively. Okay, so if you are in this flag somewhere there, wherever you enter it, put your trades on break even, or at least watch it. Okay, this is not the momentum which will drag the pair to downside. Okay, so this is the momentum which is dragging lower. This is the momentum, this is the momentum, this is the momentum. Okay, this is the momentum, this is the momentum. Okay, there is no momentum, so keep an eye there. It could reverse really easily and go for one more high to break the top. This will become a running flat, this will break the top, and then to start pushing lower, so be careful. Aussie New Zealand is keep pushing higher. It can stay there a couple more days probably. Okay, so I don't see the buy setup yet. Okay, I will not be a buyer, that makes no sense buying there based on this movement only. So when I will be buyer, when I will see the flag over there. For now there are no any flags for buy. Okay, so no buy setups are there, so I'm just completely ignoring the Aussie New Zealand for more upside. New Zealand USD nicely pushing lower. Okay, so yesterday, if you were with us, we've been talking about this movement. It's going lower. I want to see more volatility over there. I want to see that this will be keep on pushing lower all the way back to this low. Okay, so more volatility is needed, stronger movements. Okay, this is what we do anticipate, and yeah, to easily drag lower and then back up. What you can do, 15-minute time frames is what you can do to try to get into the chart. Okay, into the pair. Any correction there, sell. Correction, sell. Correction, sell. Okay, just follow it during the day, back to the trend line, easy. New Zealand CAD, same there. Follow this, follow the sell stops. Okay, so follow those 15-minute corrections, 15-minute correction back at the trend line at least. And if the momentum will not be strong or aggressive around the trend line, you're supposed to close it, take off your profit. Okay, but yeah, anyway, watch it during the day today for your sell stops there. It's a good chart. Okay, good medium term chart. New Zealand chief. Okay, so that one is pushing lower as well. Okay, there we have a nice movement which is setting up for the next few days. Okay, so if you watch the daily, okay, what the daily is showing to me, there is gonna be a bigger correction. Okay, so what we need now is a correction, and then these two keep on pushing lower. Okay, so I need bigger correction, something like this, and then these two to drag lower. Okay, so wait, don't be too fast, wait for the correction, then get into the trade. New Zealand yen, we all know where this is heading to. Okay, so we've been talking about this pair a lot. This one is going to the downside, so keep your eyes there also on lower time frame. Follow the sell stops, it will be so simple. And nice trade, it's about to come over there. Okay, so nice money in for the sells will be there. There was one flag basically on 1 hour. Okay, so there was the one flag which has already break lower, so now we are still there. Momentum is not there, so I want to see more momentum over there. So be careful, if you want to sell, don't sell without a flag. Okay, so you want to see the flag before you will start selling. Okay, no small flags, only 15 minutes, 30 minutes to 1 hour. Okay, the 1 hour flag will be the best one, but yeah, you can also consider 15-minute bigger one before you start selling. Okay, so something like this before you sell. Don't get in too early because it can still go for one more up before it will reverse to the upside. Okay, but if you wait for the flag, there is no problems that you will not catch it. Okay, you will easily catch it, so no worries. you can have it, you can catch it. Euro chief, this one is a good chart, okay, but be careful, same there, we are still waiting for the flag order to appear because we still didn't break the top. You see, there's the 1, 2 and 3, we still didn't break the top over there, okay, so we didn't break the top, and that could be the problem. Okay, this could be the problem because it can just go lower, it can go up, and it can go low. Okay, so that's the problem. So don't sell without having the flag over there. Okay, so really important, flag is what you need before you will trigger the trade, and once you will be in the trade, you have to be careful on the previous low because it can only go tag it, go for one more up, break the top, and then they will go. Okay, so that's the reason why you have to be careful, especially careful on the Euro chief. Okay, that's the only pair where you need a bit more focus because it could go really fast. Okay, so as you can see that on the way down you probably didn't manage to get into the trade, so this is everything is only short-term trades. Okay, short-term trades. I still see this one as the correction in the middle. Okay, this one lower, and now going higher, break the top, then going lower. Okay, so let me just show that on the higher time frame. This could be just the correction in the middle, and now we are repeating this one, and now we will go up, break the top, and then we'll go. Okay, so here is the reason why you have to be really patient. Okay, so we have a bit complicated correction, so watch it and don't sell without having the clear flag over there. Just a second. So Euro USD, there was the flag in the morning. If you took a sell over there, guys, if you took it, put it on break even or slowly take off your profit. Okay, that's the thing, gonna move anywhere. We break the lows, so yeah, it's the spot where you can take off your profit. Okay, if you're holding it still from the top, okay, so if you're holding it from the top, I'd recommend you taking off your profit. Okay, so easily just take off your profit, enjoy the profit, and that's it. Okay, we will slowly start watching it for the buy, but not yet. Okay, not yet. We just want to see some loss of momentum there, and then we'll go to the upside. Okay, but we first want to see some reactions on the dollar. Okay, dollar is not showing any sell stop, there is no any reactions, it's still strong, still keep pushing higher, so that's the reason why your USD is better chart to ignore. Okay, rather ignore the DXY chart for now, for a couple of days. Okay, we have a question, will SHIB ever lose a zero? Did you mean crypto, or are we talking about the crypto? Shiba coin, did you mean that one? Okay, so let's follow the setup. So I don't recommend you going there. When will the dollar fall? That's a good question, because nobody knows at the moment. Okay, so nobody knows until we will have a reaction over there. Okay, so for now there's no reaction, but what you want to see is reaction like this. Okay, reaction like this is what you need before we will start forecasting that the dollar is going to the downside. Okay, so no early sells, don't rush, stay patient. Okay, so if you want to sell it, you will have to give it some time. Okay, give it some time, let the chart do whatever it wants to do first to lose this momentum, because if you go to lower time frame, you can still see that the momentum is quite strong, but it's losing. Okay, it's losing. You can see that impulses are getting shorter and shorter, but they can struggle there for a couple of more days. Maybe on Friday this will start falling down. Okay, maybe on Friday we will start seeing these some reactions and sell stops. So your USD, like I said, okay, so leave it now. Okay, leave it for now until we will have a DXY reversal for the sell. Okay, so that's so simple. I will not recommend you doing anything over there. You're New Zealand. Okay, just give me a second. Just a moment, guys. I just have to check something. Thanks, you are welcome. Okay, so here in New Zealand we are having this buy setup there at the top basically. Okay, so I do not recommend you going for this buy right now. Okay, you can wait for a couple more candles. If that gives you a lower time frame flag, then yeah, you can try. Okay, you can try to buy there, but until this will go for the sideways a little bit, you cannot buy. Okay, be careful, this can just spike up and spike down. Okay, so I'm still anticipating that your New Zealand will turn to the downside. Okay, for me this is still the correction. It's still the correction, and yeah, don't be too aggressive. Don't be too aggressive, because this can just spike up and you'll have a losing trade for nothing over there. So slowly, guys. Gold, we have a question for gold. Yes, we will watch the gold. Let me just quickly show those charts which are ready. Okay, so and then we will watch the gold. So this wait for sell, here GBP trying to push higher. There is not so strong buy setup. Okay, there was some buys, but momentum it's not there. So be careful. Watch it. If you take it, you have to watch it because it can reverse. You're knocking. There was the buy setup in the morning. Yesterday we have been talking about this chart. Okay, so this chart is what we've been talking about yesterday. So some of you took it, I know that, because you sent me the private messages. So put it on break even. Okay, so wherever did you take it, somewhere there, you can put it on break even. Okay, there's not the momentum. I want to see stronger moves, stronger movement. Yeah, we will watch the gold and silver. Just give me 2 minutes, and then we will watch it. Okay, so euro yen, this one could be good chart. Okay, so correction is about to be completed. What we have to do now, just wait for correction over there. Okay, correction, and then keep on dragging lower. So this will be nicely visible on lower time frame. For now there is nothing. Okay, so this could be just the first part of the correction, and then we will start pushing lower. But for now there is nothing, and during the day that may appear over there. Okay, that may appear there during the day, and you will be a seller. Watch it. Euro Polish zloty. Okay, so yesterday there was one guy who took it. Okay, so momentum is still not there. Okay, you can see that we have no volatility over there at the moment. We are making a flag. If this flag breaks to the upside, you can buy. Okay, you can consider buying it, but you will see. Okay, you will see how that goes. So put it on your watch list and track it. Track this pair. Euro Aussie, there's no buy momentum. Okay, so I still don't believe that this is the buy, and there's no buy stop. Okay, so there's no buy stop. If this goes sideways, then yes. Okay, flag or flat, it's what you need before you will go for the buy over there. Okay, so stay patient. Stay patient. Your cat, this one will go higher. Okay, so watch this. I still see that this is the flag over there. Huge correction basically. Okay, so huge correction, it's appearing over there, and you can watch it during the day today. Okay, watch it during the day today. This could just start pushing higher. What is our target? Okay, our target is previous high. Okay, back at the previous high, it's where we are aiming this chart to go. So put it on your watch list. Watch this flag to aggressively break out. Okay, aggressive breakout, you can trigger your trade. You will see how far this goes. Okay, good chart to watch. I will label it with the green. That means we are watching for the buy. Euro Aussie, I don't like it, so I will just untag it. Euro Polish zloty, this one is showing you the one buy stop. Okay, so pound New Zealand, what do we have there? Watch for the sell stops. Okay, so do we have any sell stops? There is not good buy setup, sell stop, sorry. Okay, this is not good sell stop. Okay, so it's still struggling. It can go one more up before it will go lower. Okay, so give it some time. Give it some time before you'll open the trade. Okay, so either wait for the 15-minute nice correction over there, something like this, before you'll be a sell. Okay, so wait for the flag. There's nothing yet. Okay, there's nothing yet, so you can do, or you cannot trigger the trade. Pound yen in the morning, nice trade. Okay, nice flag was there in the morning, breakdown. Okay, if you trigger the trade, congratulations. Put it on your break even. Okay, put it on the break evens wherever you took it. Okay, those everything could be entries, and all of them needs to be protected with the break even. And yeah, during the day we will see this one to keep dragging lower. Can you see the more sell stops? Yes. Okay, this of course can give you more sell stops, and you can sell again. Okay, sell again. Those who didn't, you can still find the sell stop. Pound chief breaking lower. Okay, 30-minute flag was over there. As you can see, it breaks lower and it's going. Okay, it's going, it's pushing lower, so good. Put it on break even, watch your account grow. Okay, this all was the trade since yesterday. Okay, so this all was the trade since yesterday. Yesterday didn't give us those flags, and yeah, this is why we continuously watching it. And today in the morning we got those flags. Okay, we got those flags. So those who've been with us yesterday, they probably got that trade. Okay, they probably have the trade, and they are enjoying their profits, I'm sure for that. Okay, so let's see what the others are showing us for today. But yeah, anyway, if you find more sell stops, go for it. Okay, the others who wasn't there with us yesterday, you can still catch it. You can still catch it by watching the flag over there. Okay, same there. Watch for flag and then watch for flag. No, there's no flag at the moment. Okay, we need to see the flag first there. Pound Aussie, same there. This flag break lower and it's struggling there. Okay, so be careful over there. There's no momentum, it can just go for the bigger correction. Okay, so yeah, this could be the first part of the correction, and then we will go lower. Okay, so be aware that these two appear today during the day, and you can sell it later on. Okay, but just give it time to complete itself. In the morning, pound USD got same. All those pounds have the same flags in the morning. Okay, so if you sold them, you're supposed to be in the profit. Okay, you're supposed to be in the profit if you sold those flag for which we've been talking yesterday. Pound CAD, I want to see the deeper correction now. I want to see the deeper correction. As you can see, the momentum it's not there, but these can just go for the deeper correction and then we'll sell. Okay, so that's what we need. Bigger correction before we'll sell. If you sold already, try to take off your profit. Okay, I don't see the momentum over there. And I do recommend you taking off your profit, at least minimum profit. Still better than break-even trade. Okay. Okay. So we have few questions. Can you please explain what you mean by correction, flat and flag? And which one of these gives the signals to place a trade? Yeah, I will answer, Richard. I'll answer this. Okay, so Richard is the new member of the academy. I'll be in touch with you. I have to explain you in much more details this. Okay, so remind me in private message so I can show you, because this will take up too long now if I will start describing how that works. So yeah, I will answer you, I will help you, I'll find to answer your questions. It's a good question, but it's not for the general public, it's only for the inside of the academy. Okay, so we'll answer you inside of the academy. And then another question is, what is your target for pound USD For pound USD target, let me just check. Not far, okay, not far. I will just slowly take off your profit. Taking off your profit slowly, just a second. Yeah, I will rather take it. Let's see. Okay, you can slowly take off your profit, and if there will be one more strong sell, you can sell again. So if you have a good entry point, you can sell. Okay, it's a good spot to take profit. Pound CAD, we said CAD chief will go lower. Okay, so this one will go lower, but there is no sell stop at the moment. Okay, so I don't see any selling setup. It's still struggling over there, and definitely I will be selling. I will follow the flex to the downside all the way back at the trend line at least. Okay, I think that this is the big correction, the daily correction, and we will see more downside on CAD chief especially. Okay, so this could stay there. Okay, this could stay there and then going close. So it's really important that you wait for the sell flag. CAD yen, nothing there. Wait for the sell stops. Okay, so here are the. What is your comment with pound yen? Okay, we'll show you quickly. Just a second. Nothing there. Okay, on CAD yen at the moment, but yeah, definitely we'll watch for the sells. Okay, watch for the flag. Take the sell. Okay, flex is what you want to see. Nothing is yet there. Okay, so let it drop. Okay, I do recommend you let it drop, let it correct, take the trade. Okay, so something it did there, went up, correct, then take the trade. So same there, let it drop, let it correct, then take the trade. Simple. Okay, simple. Just let it do its stuff. We have a question. What is your comment on pound yen? Okay, so pound yen, nothing special, just follow the sell flags. Okay, so in the morning, if you sold somewhere there, you did a good job, put it on break even or at least watch it. And what you can do, you can add more. If you find 15-minute flags, sell. Okay, so you can keep on selling if you find the sell flags during the day. And target is previous low. Okay, previous low, it's our target, so watch it. Keep an eye. Okay. PTGX, what did you mean with that? Can you give us more details about this PTGX? What is this? Did you mean the coins, crypto, or what we're talking about? Chief yen is showing one more high there. Okay, so this could go for one more high before it will go lower. Okay, so keep an eye. Keep an eye short term. I don't recommend you trading it. Okay, so I'm skipping it. It's not worth of taking the trade over there. It's not worth of. It's more risk than the profit. So anytime soon it can just go lower. Okay, this is the still at the end of the completion of running flat. Okay, so this running flat needs to go lower. Okay, I think we've been talking about that yesterday, so rather wait for sell stops. Okay, don't chase the buy. Chief Nokian. Okay, we have some gold movements. Okay, so Chief Nokian, same there. Yesterday we've been talking for this chart. If you took a buy over there, you did a good job. Enjoy your profit and watch slowly to take off your profit around the trend line. Okay, so I still see that this is not gonna go far, and those who took it, well done, but watch for profit taking area around the trend line. Okay, so watch it. Don't let it reverse and give you the break-even trade. Okay, so if this reverses with a break-even trade and you close this trade with a break-even trade, then you are doing bad. Okay, this trade cannot reverse anymore, and it could not be the break-even trade. Okay, supposed to not be the break-even trade. USD Chief, just let me quickly watch USD CAD because it was ringing. Okay, so there's the flag in the making. Okay, so flag is there, we have a breakout, and this could just drag higher. Okay, so this moved to the upside, so keep an eye there now. Okay, so there was the previous high, and these two keep dragging higher. Okay, these two keep dragging higher. Okay, we have some volatility, as I can see here. Aussie, what's ringing? Let's see. Yeah, we may see some volatility right now, so prepare yourself. Keep an eye, probably Aussie is breaking lower. Yes, this one is breaking lower like we've been talking, so this needs to gain the momentum now to break down. If not, if it struggles there, close it, break even trade, okay? But watch it, it's worth of watching it, because it can go far away. Okay, this can start dragging lower and go far away, so eyes on. Okay, eyes on. Same there, Aussie Chief, good chart to watch. So those who wasn't there from the beginning, Aussie USD, Aussie Chief and Aussie CAD, watch for sell. Okay, those 30-minute time frames, let them drag lower. Okay, good charts to watch for, especially for today. They can give us some momentum, so I want that every one of you will put it on your watch list. That's all. Okay, so make money. Okay, you have to make money. Where we were on the USD CAD, probably. Yeah, okay. So USD CAD, what should I do? What should I do? Okay, so there it could be really bad chart. So I don't recommend you going for this trade. Okay, so don't go for this trade. This is not looking good. Momentum, it's not there yet. Okay, and that may looks like a one more sell. Okay, that may look for one more sell before we will go to the upside. Okay, so what you can do during the day, let it drop, let it take the previous low, then take the trade. Okay, that's what you can do. Just wait for break the previous low again and take the trade to the upside. Definitely we will be the buyers over there. Okay, so on lower time frame we will be following. But okay, I can see that Aussie is gaining some momentum. Okay, Aussie is gaining some momentum. This is good. Let me just quickly move the charts that are going now. Okay, so US 30, watch this chart now. Okay, watch this chart now. Let this to drop lower. Okay, let it go. Okay, so eyes on. US 30 to break and pushing lower. SP 500, same there. These to go. Okay, watch it. Immediately put it on your watch list. There it could be a lot of momentum which will develop over there, and yeah, to keep going. This can keep going. Just a second. I'm jumping on the another screen. So I'm on the another screen, so let's see. Aussie Chief, okay, so I can see that the Aussie, it's gaining some momentum. I will probably take some shots on Aussie pairs. Okay, you can take some shots and watch them closely. Momentum is trying to develop over there. Okay, momentum is trying to develop on the Aussie pairs, so it's worth of trying it. If it is not going, we will close it on the break even or small profit. Okay, so let's go where we were. US. Okay, so indices are looking for a nice sell over there. Come on, I just misclicked from my screen, sorry. Okay, so definitely US 30 to keep on dragging lower. Okay, so I can see this to extend all the way back at the previous low. Okay, so watch it. Some money is over there, why not to take it? Okay, this to go lower, this to go lower. Okay, they all are having those perfect flags. This to go lower. Okay, don't short it now. Okay, not short it yet. Okay, just watch. If momentum will come, then you can short. Otherwise, don't take a shot. Okay, don't be too fast. You're supposed to not be fast. Oh, I see the Aussie is gaining. I mean, Aussie is losing, sorry. Aussie is losing, so we will see also the Euro Aussie for a buy, okay? Perfect, we have the volatility. Okay, so you have a big benefit being there once the market is live, okay? So now you can see how everything becomes so interesting when this starts to move. Okay, so keep an eye. We may trigger some cells there. especially US 30 and SP 500. They both looks good. Okay, both of them looks good. Aussie, it's losing its strength across the market. So yeah, those shorts who have been triggered on Aussie USD, Aussie Chief, and Aussie Cats are doing really nicely. Okay, really nicely, as you can see. Good. Okay, good short, well done. Good short again, and good short again. Okay, so good shorts was there. Okay, shots are playing well. And Euro Aussie, what we can do with Euro Aussie? Okay, so I don't think so. Okay, so this is the flag, but I think there are better charts. Okay, Aussie in the first place are giving much better charts, much better setups rather than those. So I'm not sure for this Euro Aussie to buy. Okay, so not interested yet. We'll see basically. Okay, if there will be some volatility, maybe I will trigger the trade, but for now I'm staying neutral on Euro Aussie. Okay, it's not good. I would rather put some additional focus over there on those indices. Okay, indices are trying to play well. Okay, nice. Aussie dropping across the market. Money, it's coming. Aussie USD is the leader. Okay, so well done. Okay, so if you short now with us, good. Okay, good one. Really good. Volatility is there, momentum is there, and that's supposed to drag lower. Okay, so I'm talking too much. So let's see. This one it may be also interested. US 32 for a sell. This may be also a good one, but let's give it some couple of minutes, and then we'll see. I will place a couple of alarms over there, so I don't need to watch the chart, because on the other screens I'm having the Aussie pair, so my screens are full of the charts. So let's go. Let's continue. SP 500 same there. I will place some alarms to see what is going on, in case if you forget to watch it. So where we were, I think USD CAD, yeah, USD CAD is trying to push higher. If you still took the trade, watch it. Okay, so if you took it and if it starts to struggle, close it to break even. Okay, no worries, don't be afraid. You can't have that easily stop loss. No, don't be afraid while you are trading. USD Chief, I'm not interested for buy over there. Okay, so this is still second part of the correction. Okay, still second wave of the correction, and I'm still much more interested for this third movement, and then I will see, because this third move can still break to the downside. Now the question is about this movement. Okay, so this one will tell us exactly where the price will move in the future. Will it totally break to the upside, or will just go back at the previous lows, back to the trend line, and then going higher? Okay, we just have to keep an eye on it. No rush. Okay, so for now we don't have any sell stop. As you can see, it's just moving sideways, and that doesn't mean anything. Okay, doesn't mean anything. If it goes higher, no worries, don't be frustrated. It's gonna give us the setup. Okay, it's gonna give us the setup, but definitely you're supposed to not be the buyer over there yet. USDN, okay, USDN, it's trying to still give some momentum for buy. Okay, so that could be the flat for one more high. Okay, this to break the high and then going lower. Okay, so if you are still interested for this buy, you may take it. Okay, but don't hold it too long. Okay, so this to go higher and take off your profit and then reverse to the downside. Okay, so I'm not interested for this one. Okay, I don't love to buy at the previous tops. Okay, so this is the problem. I don't love to buy at the previous tops, not even sell. Okay, until I will have the sell stop. So if you want, you can go for this buy. which I was showing you. Okay, so this buy, you can go for it, take off your profit, small trade. I don't recommend. Okay, I don't recommend. There is too much risk. Use this Sikian, nothing there. Okay, so skip it. It's useless chart. It can go a little bit higher, and then this will be the running flat. Drop down, give us the running flat, and then going higher to break the top. Okay, so be aware of this movement. So don't buy or don't do anything. Let it do whatever it wants to do. Let the pattern to complete itself. Then you will watch it. Okay. We have enough probably for today with those Aussie pairs. Use the Mexican, nothing there, skip it. Use the Turkish lira, nothing there. Don't buy at the top, you see, don't buy at the top. This could become a bigger correction and then you will be a buyer. Okay, so let it do whatever it wants to do. No buy, no sell, stay away from it until it's a sideways movement. USD, Hong Kong dollar, definitely if you'll find any flag for buy it. Okay, buy it all the way back at the previous stop. You just need to wait for those buy setups before you will trigger the trade. Okay, easy. Use this South African rand. This will go for the deeper correction, so be careful. Okay, so this will go and at any time soon for the deeper correction before it will continue to the upside. Can we take any buy? Not sure. There is the 30-minute flag. Okay, 30-minute flag or 30-minute correction is there. Let's say like that. Okay, and it can go higher, but this could be the short-term trade. Okay, so if you want it, that could be more than few hour trade, and you have to close. Okay, similar like this one. Okay, trade will be the similar like this one. Went up, you have to take off your profit. Okay, so it will went up, take off your profit. And USD yen is the same. USD South African rand and USD yen, they both are having that correction, and here's the example how they looks like. Okay, once they break, they will stop at any time soon. They will not last longer, so you just have to cut it. Okay, take off your profits. The same you will do there. It will go and you will take off your profit. This will be just for money for a lunch. Depends how much you are investing. Nothing there, especially on the silver. So there is the guy that had been asking me for the silver. I don't see anything there. No sell. Okay, this is not the sell for me. I don't like the sell. When I will be the seller, if this goes higher, then I will be a seller. But for now, I'm staying neutral. Okay, so I'm staying neutral on silver. It's not showing any movement over there. Gold, what the gold is trying to do. We have a question also for the gold. Yeah, the gold is better than silver. Okay, the gold is better than silver, so we can keep an eye there for this flag. Okay, so let's track it during the day, and these two keep pushing lower. Okay, so your eye is supposed to be somewhere there. Okay, your eyes supposed to be somewhere there, and if it breaks, give you a strong candles, then congratulations, you have a nice profit on your account. Sugar, nothing there, leave it, skip it, it's gonna go back at the top. Oil can give us the sell stop. Okay, this could be the nice sell stop, this flag to dragging lower, so watch it there. UK oil, same there. Okay, these two keep on dragging lower. Okay, they can all do the same, but don't short there. Okay, don't be too aggressive. So let it start breaking first. Okay, let it start breaking first before you will do anything. And definitely there are the indices which we have been talking already. Oh shit, there are the 30 minutes flags. They are really nicely visible. These to go and push lower. Same there, SP 500, these two start breaking. Okay, we are having the break, but not momentum yet. Okay, we don't have momentum yet over there, so let it do whatever it wants to do, and then we will start selling it. Nasdaq 100, same there. Okay, so watch it, watch for strong break and keep pushing lower. Okay, keep pushing lower and keep dragging lower. How far? I think at least one more leg lower like this, and then going higher. Okay, so keep your eyes there. 30 minutes, it's your friend now. German 30, what you can do there, same there. Okay, so exactly same behavior. Watch there for strong breaks to the downside, and then you can simply trigger the trade. If not, it will stay there going for high, but at any time soon you have to watch it to sell. Okay, doesn't matter how big that flag will become or how big that correction will become, you can still catch the sell, okay? You can miss it, but don't focus for the buy, okay? Buy, it's not what we are chasing over there. Okay, so let's see. Guys, don't send me the private messages. you can feel free to ask over there. We are here to support you and answer all your questions that you're having, okay? So don't feel ashamed. Don't feel ashamed. What else do we have there on the market? UK, nothing there. Okay, I'm not trading over there. It's not looking good for me. I'm skipping that chart. EU 30, 50, sorry, I'm blind. Watch this one also to break down and keep going. Okay, so corrections like this, they just go. Okay, correction, then they go. Okay, watch those indices. Indices are quite popular today. Today are really good trades there. Okay, good setups. Okay, so sell, keep on dragging lower. Okay, so you can take that sell. If it is not going, you will at least take a small profit. Okay, small profit is good also. At least you are growing your account, and that small profit is giving you motivation, additional motivation. So if you sold yesterday there, I mean Monday, there was some sales. Okay, now this is trying to give and build the bigger correction, and this one's not that looking good. Okay, the others are better. China, nothing there. HSI, nothing there. Okay, leave them. Okay, they are not looking good. Even not that one. JP 225 is not looking good. Okay, so this is what we are having currently on. Okay, but the money makers will be Aussie pairs, as I can see. Okay, the Aussie pairs will be the money makers over there for today. Okay, they have to keep dragging lower. Aussie cats as well there, keep dragging. Okay, that's what I do anticipate. So congratulations those who took it. Okay, so guys, let's have a quick look also on the crypto. I see that we have some crypto guys there. I'm patiently waiting that we will have a look on the crypto market. Okay, so we'll watch the crypto right now. Couple of crypto pairs. If you want to watch any special crypto that I'm not having on my watch list, just use the chat and I will add it and we will watch it for you. Okay, so no worries, we can do everything. Okay, and for those who are interested to join my team and my trading academy, okay, we are watching charts every day, daily, with daily webinars. We are commenting, we are fully active, sharing the setups. You will have to visit the link which is attached under the video and go to the social site and click the website link, sorry, tradewithmaster.eu, and then you will find there the membership and you will have to choose the membership which fits with you. Okay, so all the memberships are lifetime with the lifetime access, so all the stuff which I'm uploading in the academy will be free of charge for you. Okay, so once you are the member of our academy, you will have everything forever. Okay, you'll see basically being the member of our academy is a huge benefit. Okay, this is a huge benefit. You will see how trading looks like and how you can grow your accounts really quickly. Okay, so let's go. Let's now watch those crypto pairs quickly, then we will complete the webinar over there. Okay, if you will have any questions, feel free to use the chat, guys. I'm still there to answer your questions. Bitcoin, nothing special is there. I will not be the seller. Okay, I still see that these two keep on going higher, so diversion is there. I don't love to go for the sell over there. Okay, so be aware, be careful. Can it break down? Let me see. Yeah, this also can break lower. Okay, this can also break lower. Let me just delete this one, make it shorter. Okay, so I will be happy if this goes like this. going up, take the top and then drop. Okay, that's what I see, and this is where I will be interested to become a seller on Bitcoin. Can I buy? No, you don't have a buy setup, you can buy. Okay, so you don't have a buy setup and you cannot buy. Okay, so I don't see any buy setups for now, but sell is there. Okay, so there is the sell. If this drags and break aggressively, you may take that sell. Okay, we'll see how far this will go. Okay, maybe back at the previous low. This is where it can go to. Ethereum, same there. They all are having the same setup. So if that cracks there, you can consider selling, and this will be all the correction. Okay, so this is also possible. This is also possible. This is all the correction, and these two start pushing lower. Okay, so keep an eye there. Possibility exists that this will drop lower. XRP, Ripple, nothing there. Okay, so I'm not interested for this chart. I'm not interested for this one. This is just the half of the correction. Okay, so we'll see if this goes up, give us flag, another chance, take the bottom, go back at the top, give us the flat, or gives us the running flat, going lower, going higher, and then going lower. Okay, this will be the running flat. Just a quick look on the USDN, what is ringing over there. Yeah, it's breaking higher. So guys, those who want to take it, this is the pattern, and that's what we've been seeing. These two drag for one more high. I'm not interested for this one, but if you are interested, go for it. Go for it and watch it. I have enough basically money on Aussie pairs. Aussie pairs are on much better spot than the USDN, but you can give a try over there. ADA USDT. So ADA, it's looking for a sell. Okay, so for me that looks like a completed correction, and we can keep on dragging lower. Okay, so 30 minutes, that could be all the correction. Okay, this could be all the correction, expanded flat, and to keep on dragging lower. So during the day today, you can watch this. Okay, watch this one to start pushing lower. Link, let it push higher, tag the top, and then going lower. OGN, same there, one more low, then going higher, give us the running flat, and then they will go. Okay, crypto, it's a bit weird now. Okay, so Aussie, it's killing the market. Aussie is killing the market. So I basically don't see a lot of setups there on crypto, so not much is there. Okay, so Aussie, look at that one. That's the burning burning candle over there. Perfect. Okay, perfect, nice profit. Okay, we trigger the sells over there. We trigger our sells, and we just have to watch how it goes. That's it. Okay, so we have one. There was one alarm activated for Euro Aussie. I think, which one was the last one that was ringing? Was Euro Aussie. Where is it? Let me just see it. Okay, no, don't take the buy yet. Okay, I will not take it, but you can watch it. If it becomes aggressive, yes, then you can take it, but rather wait. Okay, so you can buy it somewhere there above the high if it becomes aggressive. Okay, if this becomes aggressive, you can buy it back at the previous top, and that's gonna be a good trade. Okay, so guys, do you have any questions? Today there was the big benefit being on the daily webinar, because market moves, and we were in the middle of the webinar, and you were able to see how that works when something starts to move. So no questions. Probably everyone is collecting their money now on the Aussie pairs. Okay, so good one. That was the good trade over there. Well done. Okay, it's keep on dropping. That's the perfect candle. This is the momentum that we want to see, and that's what we are searching for. Okay, that's the momentum. Okay, so I will end the webinar over there, guys. Watch the webinar to see what it's interested for today to watch, to appear, and to put on your watch list. Okay, so keep an eye, watch it, stay focused, don't be confused with one candle, stay in the direction of the analysis, and that's all. Okay, can we still enter the Aussie? No, you are quite late, buddy. You are a little bit late. That ain't gonna give you a good risk to reward ratio, and your entry is bad, so you won't be able to manage it. Okay, so not yet. So what you can do, maybe if that's correct, then you can get in. Okay, but don't feel frustrations. Okay, there are a lot of trades. You didn't miss anything. There is still something to trigger. There is still something to trigger, but you just need to you need to let the correction appear before you getting into the trade. Long on Bitcoin for short term? No, don't go long. Okay, Bitcoin, it's not good chart. Bitcoin is not good chart right now. It's more short than a buy. Okay, that could break down aggressively. Okay, so be careful over there. You see, this is still not a buy, it's the sell. 30-minute sell, it's over there. So be careful with your longs. I don't recommend you going long. Okay, even if it goes higher, that ain't gonna go high, a lot higher. To complete this correction, one more low. You are welcome. I'm glad that I can share and give you advices. Okay, so then we will complete the webinar. We will end the webinar over there. It's been a really good webinar. Okay, so I would please everyone to hit that like button, and especially those who are watching me on YouTube, please hit that like button and share the video with others. You may help to someone who is still struggling and who don't know what he's doing. Okay, because here he can learn something totally different and he can make some money just by watching those webinars. Okay, that's it, and thank you very much for being there. See you tomorrow. Take care, enjoy your day, patiently watch for the correction to complete, and may the money be with you. Take care, enjoy your day, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.